Welcome to Alfra English channel. Listen to the question and sample answer, then try to answer the same question on your own. What sorts of food do you like eating most?
I prefer homemade food and I am a fan of my mother's recipes. She is an amazing cook and I always enjoy her cooking. Whenever we go to a restaurant, we like to order Chinese menus. Apart from that, I like buttered popcorn, pizza, Indian masala dosa, Mexican tacos, donuts and sandwich, a mixture of many foreign food items actually.
You can share your answers in the comment below. Do not forget to like, subscribe and share this video.